history of Tibuli people are one of the indigenous group of the Philippines, residing mainly in the highlands of South Cotabato and the Mindanao. Their history is rooted in their connection to the land, spiritual beliefs, and rich cultural traditions. The Tibuli people are an indigenous group primarily located in the southern part of the Philippines, particularly in the province of South Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, and Sarangani on the islands of Mindanao. Yellow birds representing prosperity and hope, symbolizing a wish for abundance and a bright future. Black beads signify strength and protection, warding off evil spirit and negative energy. Red beads embody courage and vitality, reflecting the tribe's resilience and determination. White beads stand for purity and peace, often used during rituals and celebrations to invite harmony. I would like to share on how to make a Tibuli necklace. First, get a piece of wood, hammer a nail into the wood to serve as an anchor point for the nylon. Wrap the nylon tightly around the nail to secure it. Then, we started to build and make the necklace by putting beads on the nylon. After that, we continuing the making of necklace until it's done.